In this scene, we saw the members of X Division come to stop the Colonel from starting the war between the America and Russia. But when they reach there, they see that Shaw is not there. Instead of him, Emma Frost has come there, who was manipulating the Colonel, where he was dreaming like he was with a beautiful girl in his bed and enjoying. But when the members of X Division reach there, they catch Emma Frost for some intel and take her to CIA and put her in the prison. But then they came to know about Shaw's real plan, that with US and Russia war, he wants to eliminate humans from the earth and wanted that only mutants should live on the earth, and they are 1,000 times better than humans. That's why he wanted a world in which only mutants exist and there is no single human in that. This is the basic story of X-Men First Class. Let's start its summary. Welcome our friends. Today we will be talking about the movie X-Men First Class. Let's go back to the 1960s where the story begins. In 1962, the world is very tense because of the threat of nuclear war. During this time, special people called mutants are starting to appear. Mutants have special powers. The story starts with a boy named Eric Lancer. He is in very bad place during World War II and Eric can move metal with his hand. A bad man named Shaw noticed Eric's power, so he is very mean to Eric and makes him very angry. When Eric grows up, he wanted to find Shaw and stop him. Now Eric is a grown man played by the Michael and he is hurting bad people. Meanwhile, in England, we meet Charles Xavier, a very smart young man who can read minds. Charles becomes friends with a girl named Raven. Raven can change her shape to look like anyone. The bond between Charles and Raven is very important. It highlights themes of acceptance and identity. Charles dreams of a world where mutants and humans can both be friends. The CIA, a group of government agents, learn about mutants. An agent named Mariah McTaggart asks Charles for help. Together, they start a team of mutants called the X-Men. Charles and Moira finds other mutants to join the team. They find Hank McCoy, a smart man who will become Beast, Alex Summers, who can shoot powerful energy blast, and Sean Cassidy, who can scream very loudly. Each mutant has a special power. Charles and Eric form an unlikely friendship, united by their powers but divided by their beliefs. Eric quests for revenge against Shaw aligns with their mission, but this method and belief about human-mutant relation create tension. Their chess game symbolizes their intellectual, ideological battle, setting the stage for the eventual rivalry. Training the First Class is no small feat. Charles helps them to harness their power, encouraging them to embrace their identities. This is where the young mutants start to bond and grow as a team. These scenes are filled with humor, struggle, and triumph, showcasing their journey to become a hero. So revealed to be a powerful mutant himself, has a plan to start World War III, believing it will lead to mutant dominance with the ability to absorb and redirect energy. So is a formidable foe. The young X-Men stop him to prevent global chaos. The climax unfolds on a beach against the backdrop of the Cuban Missile Crisis. This epic battle tests our hero's limits. Eric thirsts for revenge against Shaw in a dramatic and deadly confrontation. Here we see the full extent of Eric's power and his shift towards becoming Magneto. In the aftermath, the ideological rift between Charles and Eric reaches its peak. Eric, now Magneto, parts ways with Charles, who is left paralyzed from a stray bullet. Eric forms the Brotherhood of Mutants while Charles establishes the Xavier School for gifted youngsters. Their paths diverge but their destinies remains intertwined. X-Men First Class is a powerful origin story that explores complex themes of identity and the cost of power. It sets the stage for the future conflicts and the alliances in the X-Men universe. Whether you are a long-time fan or a new to the series, this film is a must-watch for its rich storytelling and dynamic characters. Thanks for joining us and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more deep dives into your favorite films. See you next time, true believers.